Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute fall set. So I'm starting off by applying my nail tips, and these are the GZL Beauty Extra Long Nosy Curved Square tips, and I'm using the McCart nail glue to glue them on. So these tips are available on my Etsy shop. GZL Beauty is my brand. So yeah, and I do have a peel off base coat and a matte top coat on my nails, so this is just like a pop-off set. And now I'm just cutting down the tips to my desired length, and then I'm going to go in with this hand file from Bomb Nails, which is an 80/80 grit, and I'm going to lightly shape up the nails. With these nail tips, you don't really have to do too much shaping, so that is really nice. And then I will be blending them in a little bit and also removing the shine from the tips. So I'm going to be using the GZL Beauty Acrylic and Sunkissed, and the Nail Supply Glamour Acrylic and Chocolate, and this raw glitter mix from GZL Beauty, which is called Cozy. And I'm going to start off by applying the Sunkissed acrylic on the middle finger, and I'm going to do a full nail of this. And the acrylic brush that I'm using right now is the Kiara Sky brush, but I'm going to switch over to another brush because I crimped the brush, but I did it the wrong way, so the bristles kept separating, which made applying the acrylic very difficult. So I ended up switching over to another acrylic brush, which I got off of Amazon, which was very affordable. I believe it was only like $18, and it's a size 14, and I really liked it. So I will be linking it in the description. And the monomer that I'm using is from Kiara Sky. So I just wanted to let you guys know that the acrylic powders, glitters, nail tips, and charms on my Etsy shop are 30% off right now. So if you guys are interested in buying anything from there, make sure to check out the sale right now. It will be ending on September 18th, so that's like a day after I post this video. So yeah. So moving on to the ring finger, I'm going to be applying Sunkissed on the nail bed area and blending it downwards, since I will be applying some glitter later on the tip, and I kind of wanted it to be like an ombre, but the glitter to lay on top of the nude. So on the pointer finger, I'm going to go in with a thin layer of Sunkissed on the whole nail. For the pinky, I'm going to do a full nail of the Nail Supply Glamour Acrylic and Chocolate, and then I will be encapsulating it. For the thumb, I'm going to be doing an ombre, so I start off by applying the brown acrylic on the nail tip area, and then I blend it upwards, and then I pull down the acrylic all the way down the tip, and then I apply some more of that brown wherever it's needed. Now I'm going in with the nude acrylic, and I am applying it on the nail bit area right above where I applied the brown acrylic. And I do like to use a wetter bead when I go in to create that blend. And then I'll go in with another bead by the cuticle area, and then I will be encapsulating this nail as well. So moving back to the ring finger, I'm going to apply a thin layer of the clear acrylic, and then I'll be going in with my glitter. And I'm mainly applying the glitter on the nail tip area and just lightly blending it upwards to create like a nice little ombre. And then for the pointer finger, I'm basically doing the same thing, but I'm applying the glitter in like an S shape. And then I will be encapsulating both of those nails with some clear acrylic. So these are my nails right after application. Now I'm going to move on to filing. So I'm starting off by using this Pana 5-in-1 drill bit and an extra fine grits. And I'm going around the cuticle area with this to seal in the cuticle and smooth that out. And now I'm going in with the hand file and I'm shaping up the nails, and also I'm going to be filing the surface of the nail to completely smooth it out. Now I'm going in with a little buffer to get rid of any of the little scratches that the hand file left behind. So I went ahead and dusted off my nails and cleaned them off. And now I'm going to go in with the Macart Rhinestone Glue Gel, and I'm going to be applying some rhinestones. And the rhinestones that I'm using are some Preciosa rhinestones, I think that's what they're called, and they're in golden shadow. And I think I'm using the SS12s and SS5s or 7, I'm not sure which ones. But I went ahead and cured that, and now I'm going in back with the brown acrylic, and I am going to be doing a little 3D flower. And the brush that I'm using is, I believe it's a size 4. I'm not sure the brand. I thought it was a Pana brush, but it's not from Pana. It's a different brush, but I will have a link in the description. Now I'm going to be top coating the nails with the Macart top coat, and once I'm done I will be curing in the lamp for a full 90 seconds. You could do 60 seconds, but I like curing it for a full 90 just to make sure that the gel is completely cured. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the nails. I really like them. They're really pretty and perfect for the fall. Don't forget that everything that I used in today's video will be linked in the description, and also don't forget that I am having a 30% off sale on my Etsy shop, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.